Welcome back. Today we are going to be working on this stamping manicure. It was requested to do a video using stamping with the LaColors polishes I recently bought, Blushing Gold, which is a rose gold polish, and Dazzleberry, which is like a shimmery kind of berry, and it has some gold and silver kind of shift to it. And we're going to be using Bundle Monster's 306 plate and just this nice floral kind of pattern there. Of course, you're going to need your stamper, your scraper, all that stuff to stamp with. And we're going to, I have Blushing Gold on my nails, so we're going to try stamping with Dazzleberry. And it's kind of light and sheer, but these polishes will work with stamping. You'll be able to see as you go too. We'll be cleaning off our plates as we go, and you'll see all those steps too. And I just truck on to do all the nails basically, and just find the placement, press it down. This is basically like a stamp with me because I've done a ton of stamping videos. Dazzleberry would perform better on a stamped on top of a different shade, maybe white. It does okay on black. You'll see at the end of the video how it applies on those shades too. I thought we would do that. You can barely see the stamping, but I do like how it looks kind of like shadowed. It's kind of nice. It's a very feminine nail design, and I really like it. It's very pretty, even though it's light and you can barely see the stamping on the nail. But in the pictures you can see it. In person you can see it. The camera's just not picking it up that well. It looks so nice. I really love the Blushing Gold shade on the nails. It's very beautiful. Like I said, it's just a rose gold nail polish, and for $1 you can't beat that. Dazzleberry I feel like is a shade that you could buy about anywhere. Even the rose gold polish you can buy about anywhere now, but the rose gold polish in general though, I think it's perfect for the holidays, and you can get it for $1. So let's clean up our cuticle area, any excess polish that got everywhere. We're gonna seal our design with a top coat. Make sure you give a nice coat to your free edge as well to seal into the design and make the tips of your nails last longer as well. I'll just do that, and there's the design. See, like you can see it. It's not invisible. I love how girly this is. It's so pretty. And I think, you know, obviously it would have worked better if we had white nails and stamped with them. But as you'll see in these little quick swatches that I've done here. So I just wanted to give you a preview of how they stamp over black and how they stamp over white. The first color that we're stamping is the Blushing Gold. And you can barely see it over the black. But I will change the camera angle in a minute and you'll be able to see that it actually does show up. It will work stamping. They're both like metallic kind of polishes, so they do work. Maybe not so much on top of each other. They're fairly light. So here's Dazzleberry, and you can barely see it on the black too, but once we switch the camera angle you can see it actually does show up. It does work as a stamping polish. The image is transferred very nicely. So I just wanted to do this quick video and share with you how they look stamped on the nails for you. Hope you enjoyed it, found it helpful, enjoyed seeing it on the white and black as well. So we know now they do stamp, they look great, they apply awesome, and thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.